This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Mona Gabriel. Custom and modern waterfront home with panoramic views of the Lafayette River. Completely rebuilt in 2007, this open and airy home offers tons of natural light and gracious rooms with the finest attention to details. The gourmet kitchen is open to the living/dining rooms, which allows for great flow. There is a first floor bed/bath and generously sized utility room. The in-law suite with kitchen and private entrance, elevator, oversized primary ensuite with sitting area, gas fireplace, large walk-in cedar closet, walls of windows and French door which leads out to the private porch overlooks the glistening water. The covered porch is perfect for outdoor entertainment or relaxation. There is plenty of storage with spacious closets.